This is Village Auto's 2014 Chevrolet Captiva LT front-wheel drive. Very nice local SUV. The rear defrost, rear wiper, tow package, alloy wheels, privacy glass, luggage rack. Very well maintained. This one does come equipped with a 2.4 liter Ecotec 4-cylinder along with the automatic transmission. Incredible deal for only $12,880. Let's get inside here for you. This one has a full leather interior, exceptionally clean. We do of course have full power options, power driver's side seat, power moonroof, HomeLink OnStar, the Chevrolet MyLink with the auxiliary input and the Bluetooth connectivity, automatic climate control, auto stick feature, steering wheel audio controls along with cruise. This one has only 60,000 miles. Very clean, very well maintained, low mileage SUV that runs and drives out perfect. Stop on down to Village Auto in this 2014 Chevrolet Captiva LT home.